Breaking: 47,000 jobs gone in 30 days. Microsoft reported it. January 2026. AI replaced entire departments. Not in 2030, not in 2027. Now 5 tools are doing it. Tool 1. Claude handles legal research. Baker McKenzie cut 212 paralegals. That's real. That's documented. Tool 2. ChatGPT Pro writes code. GitHub reports 67%, fewer junior developers hired. Stripe, Figma, everyone adopted it. Tool 3. Midjourney eliminated design teams. Adobe's own data confirms it. 94% of creative briefs automated. Tool 4. Runway handles video editing. Hollywood studios already cut 340 positions. Tool 5. NotebookLM automates content creation. Publishers downsized 28 newsrooms in Q4. Your job category is next. Check right now. Is your role 80% repetitive tasks? Yes. Then you need to watch this. Like and subscribe for more. Zero input AI every day.